On our screen today, we have the question and it says, given that f is equals a plus bt, where f is force and t is time, we asked what quantity does a represent? They give us the equation which says that f is equals a plus bt. They told us that f is force and t is time. They are now looking for the quantity that a represents. This is very simple if you've been following me. Now, I told you that for every equation, for this equation to be correct, the dimension here will be the dimension here and will be the dimension here. Does it make sense? So since we know that this is force and the dimension for force is mlt minus 2. Now, asking me the quantity A represent, the quantity will definitely be force. For this equation, A still represents force. The dimension for A will still be mlt minus 2 because for every equation to be correct, each and every one of the quantities must have the same dimension. If not, that equation is wrong. Now, even the BT self, this BT will still have the same dimension, mlt minus 2. So this is force, this is force, this is force. Do you understand? So I've ascertained that A is what? Force. The quantity that A represents is force, and its dimension is mlt minus 2. Force, F, its dimension is this. So BT now, we know that BT, its dimension is still mlt minus 2. Let's take a break. Now, since we know that T is time, now what is the quantity that B represents? Only B. Only B is not force, so it is both B and T. That BT is the one that represent that are the ones that represent force. Now, since we know that T is time, so we have that the dimension for B times the dimension for T, which is what? Time, is equals their dimension. That's when you collect both of them, their dimension, which is the force, mlt minus 2. So if you make the quantity B, that the dimension for B, which I'm just talking about, the quantity B, subject, that if you divide both sides by its coefficient over t, so we have that t will cancel t. So we have that B is equals now mlt minus 2, mlt minus 2, that's ml over t squared divided by t, that's times 1 over t. Does it make sense? So we have that B is equals m l all over t squared times t, that's t raised to power 3. Does it make sense? So we have that B is equals ml t minus 3. This is the dimension for what? B.